members of the media, Bulavinaka, I'm pleased to inform you today that the preparation for the Great Council of Chiefs meeting in Bau and the Ratu Sukuna Day celebrations are 99% complete. On the GCC, the i-Taukei Trust Fund will cover the cost of the 2 days meeting with the funding of 189,000. This includes all logistic costs. The i-Taukei Affairs Board covered the preparation cost, including the renovations of the meeting house, the Ulunibuaka. In total, the i-Taukei Affairs Board spent 97,000. The total cost is 286,000. This is less than the 400,000 reported by the media. Cabinet approved on 3rd May the i-Taukei Affairs Great Councils of Chiefs Regulations 2023. These regulations is only for the meeting in Bau, and it gives the meeting a legal basis. The regulation lists 4 categories of membership. There are 3 ex officio members, and they are His Excellency the President, the Honorable Prime Minister, and the Minister for i-Taukei Affairs. The Minister may invite 6 members. The Provincial Council may invite 3 chiefs from each province and 3 members from the Council of Rotuma, representing the chiefs of Rotuma. I have received the nominations from the 13 provincial councils and 3 from the Council of Rotuma. The names are in the list before you. You may take a copy. As widely reported in the media, Namosi will not be represented. His Excellency the President will preside over the opening ceremony of the GCC together with the Ratu Sukuna Week celebration. Before you is the program for the GCC and the Ratu Sukuna Week celebration. On the Ratu Sukuna Week celebrations from 24th to 29 May, before you is the program for the celebration. The theme is celebrating visionary leadership based on Ratu Sukuna legacy. The celebration will commence immediately after the opening ceremony in Bau. On Wednesday, 24th May, there will be 2 venues, the museum and the leadership village at Ratu Sukuna Memorial School. Members of the public are invited to visit the 2 venues. All Ratu Sukuna displays will be at the museum. There will be no entry fees. There will be 3 Ratu Sukuna public lectures. On Wednesday evening at 5 p.m., Professor Stephen Ratuba will deliver a public lecture at USP. Members of the public are invited. On Thursday evening, 25th May at 5 p.m., Ambassador Emitai Mbolandundua will deliver a public lecture at the FNU. Again, members of the public are invited. Also on Thursday evening, the University of Fiji will organize a symposium at its Samambula campus. The keynote address will be delivered by former Permanent Secretary, Mr. Chochi Kotombalahu. All are invited. On Friday, 26 May, there will be a Ratu Sukuna Leadership Conference at the Harbour Point Convention Center in Lami. Celebrations in all schools around the country also on the Ratu Sukuna's legacy. On Saturday, 27 May, traditional i-Taukei games will be held at Ratu Sukuna Memorial School. The Fiji National Rugby League Sukuna Round will also be held on 27 May at Bidesi Park. They will compete for the Sukuna Seal. On Sunday, 28 May, a church service will be held at the Vodafone Arena at 4 p.m. Members of the public are invited to attend. The main celebration will be held at 8 a.m. held on Monday, 29 May. This will commence with a march from Suba Flea Market to Albert Park. His Excellency the President will deliver the Ratu Sukuna Day address. This will be followed by entertainment and evening reception at the State House will conclude the celebration. Thank you, members of the media.